The Bresser MikrOkular USB Camera offers a compact design that integrates seamlessly with telescopes and microscopes, allowing users to capture high-definition photos and videos of their observations. Equipped with a modern CMOS sensor, this camera ensures excellent image quality with a pixel size of 3 by 3 micrometers, making it ideal for detailed scientific work. Its compatibility with a wide range of microscopes and telescopes is enhanced by the included adapters, making it a versatile tool for many scientific applications. The camera supports various image and video formats such as JPG, BMP, TIFF, PNG, and AVI, providing flexibility for different documentation needs. With its user-friendly CamLabLite software, which is compatible with Windows 10 and 11, it offers an easy setup and operation without the need for additional drivers. The product comes with convenient accessories, including a dust cover and various adapter cables, ensuring that users have everything needed for immediate use.